Hey guys, today we're going to talk about why you should shoot through your CCW ammo about once a year. Okay, so the first reason is ammo reliability. So if you store ammunition in a dry area that's temperature controlled, it'll stay reliable for years, likely decades. But when it's in your concealed carry weapon, it's with you at all times when you're hiking, when you're running, when you're biking, whatever the heck you're doing. And so the moisture from your body is going to be around it. It's going to go through various temperature differences. It's not in a controlled environment. So just for reliability purposes, you should shoot through it once a year. Another reason is because it's in there moving, it can actually change the particle size of your gunpowder, which can again further change how the ammunition is going to work in your gun. So maybe something that you shot 200 rounds through your gun, if particularly CCW ammo, would work great before it's been hauling around with you for 2, 3, 4, 5 years without you shooting it. Then after that time, maybe it's not going to be so reliable, maybe it's not even going to go bang. So in a concealed carry weapon, that's a big concern. So today I'm actually going to show you that speed difference, see if we can pick that up or not. Okay, so we're going to be comparing two rounds. So this is factory ammo, some jacketed hollow points, and these are some of my personal reloads. So I only have 4 of these lying around, but then these are the ones I've literally been hauling these around for a year. Okay, so it looks like I have 3 factory rounds and then a lot more of my personal reloads. So I'm going to do 4 factory not carried, like 6 of my reloads not carried, and then 6 reloads carried and 3 factory carried. Unfortunately, I don't have a bigger sample size because it was just what was in my gun that's been hauling around with me for the past couple years. So I'm going to go and show you that difference. Non-shot factory rounds. Here are my carried factory rounds. Okay, here are my carried home reloads. And here are my non-carried home reloads. Okay guys, so after looking at that, it looks like there was only about a 20-30 feet per second faster after they had been carried for about a year on both the factory and my home reloads. So I'd say it does make a difference, but it's probably not enough to be super concerned about. I would mostly shoot through my CCW ammunition primarily because it's been exposed to all sorts of environments, or my sweat when I'm running, or various other factors like that. But all of them shot perfectly flawless, which is what you're hoping for, you know, if you ever, heaven forbid, get in a gunfight. But still, you should cycle them out just to make sure they're all fresh and ready to roll. Okay guys, if you have any other thoughts on cycling through your ammunition in your CCW weapon, please put those in the comments below. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.